Hey, what's great, family? Timon Brown, aka Coach T here, and you just tapped into the Hoop Dream series. This Hoop Dream series is for any athlete that's in the high school or collegiate level going through a transition phase. You may be unranked, you may be unknown, you may not be a starter, you may not even be on the field in or court right now, but you still have the ambition to do so. You may not even be in college right now, but you still have the ambition and dream to actually do so. You want to live your hoop dream, and a hoop dream isn't just on the court, that's on the football field, that's in soccer, that's in field hockey, that's in baseball. So what I'm gonna do right now is package all the information I've gained because I actually lived my dream. And I lived my dream after having my mother pass away, after having all the schools that were looking at me disappear, after sitting here going Division III when I was a D1 recruited athlete, after having to sit out of college for a year and take care of my sister, after sitting here missing the football field for 2 years out of college and still returning to complete and compete on a collegiate level and have a tryout with the CFL. So I'm gonna bring you all this information within this series. And this information is gonna give you tips, skill sets, and help you shift your mindset and perspective so you can be dominant as you seek out to live your dream. Dreams are meant to be lived, not to be thought about. And this is what we're gonna do. It doesn't matter what you're going through. Yes, it matters to you and you feel it, but that thing that you're going through will not stop you from living your dream. It could be something as you are not being ranked, or it could be something as you lost your parent. Either way, we're gonna show you how to make it happen. We're gonna do this every Tuesday. You can find us live on Instagram. You can find me, Coach T, live on Instagram every Tuesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Time, dropping information for the Hoop Dream series. If you do not want to wait for every Tuesday for this information, you can get early bird access. Early bird access is a link below. You can purchase the whole Hoop Dream series, right? And you can access everything you need, every single video with all the information for $27. That's it. All it takes is $27 to gain information that's going to change the situation for you. You're going to go from thinking about your dream to living it, but you must apply the information to actually win. So with that being said, go ahead and tap in and get ready to live your dream instead of just thinking about it. Don't contemplate your situation. Only think about what you will do, because now you will learn to dominate, and with that mindset, your dream is yours. Peace and love.